How much you're going to get paid? Everybody wants to know that answer. How much are you demanding and how much am I going to get paid? Well, the demand depends on your injury. Whenever you have a demand for settlement, we basically put together all your medical records. We figure out how this accident has affected your life, how it's affected the lives of your family members, your loved ones, activities that you can no longer do. And we try to paint the story of you, of your life. And then with that, with the medical records, clearly the more injured you are, the more issues, the more doctors you've had to see, the more things that you've had to go through because of this individual of causing the accident, is the more valuable is your case. If you don't seek treatment, your case is not as valuable because it looks like you're not injured, even though you may be injured. If you only see one doctor, a chiropractic doctor that does everything, then your case is not as valued because you're only seeing a chiropractic doctor. So you got to see the right doctor for the right injuries. But your case is valued on all these collective opinions from all these medical professionals. And did you go to the hospital? What are your bills? All these things together tells a story. Because if you're a random juror in a courthouse and the jury member hears, oh, this person never got treated, they only saw one doctor, they only did this, your case is not valued as much as some other case. So it all depends on your injuries, it all depends on how you feel, it depends on the circumstance, the total circumstance. What did the client do? What did the defendant do? Were they drunk? Were they on drugs? Or they just drive negligently? Do they have an extensive background? All these come into play when making your demand. So when we talk about how do you value your case, it always goes back to the injuries, and it always goes back on the defendant's behaviors, and also what did you do to get better for your injuries.